All right, just got done showering. Woo, smoother than a baby's butt cheeks right now. You can see that. Looks really nice. Very, very smooth shave. On the back of my head, I had to wet it a little bit, but it actually worked real well. I think it worked better, so next time I might actually try to just damp my head and go from there. But now, shake this up real well. The natural shave after serum, I'm going to use a little bit of this, put it on the old head. Has that lemongrass smell. You can, man, that is straight bald, baby. You hear that smack? Woo! Smooth. It's like wearing a shower cap on my head or something like that, like one of those tight ones. That's absolutely ridiculous. All right, we're going to do some of this deodorant as well so I don't stank. You know, new deodorant, you always got to do it a couple times because it's so like harsh, but this will be fine. It smells good. Don't smell bad at all. It smells great, yeah. All right. Thank you, Groomie. I am now a Baldy once again. I appreciate it for the BaldiePro head grooming kit. Feels real smooth. It was really easy. Not that big of a mess at all. So thanks a lot for that. I appreciate it. This is the Mocha Skin Manmo, the Almond Adonis himself, Impact Wrestling's own Ravishing Rohit Raju, saying, hey, go buy this product. It's pretty sweet if you're trying to join the Bald Club. Thank you.